Hi, I'm Sebastian Hunt from Exhibition Magic, and this is another tidbit. Now, my booking this week is over Tuesday and Wednesday. Today is Monday, and so it's all about last minute preparation. Now, preparation is extremely important, and I take it very seriously indeed. I think preparation can make the difference between a successful show and an unsuccessful show. For my part, preparation comes down to 3 stages, and so here they are. Stage 1. This stage is most important for me when I'm dealing with a new client. You will find it relevant to yourselves too if you are a new hire or if you are an external consultant, for example. Really understand what the company does. Understand the product or the service, understand the features and the benefits, understand the market in which it operates. You'll find that that makes you a much more efficient exhibitor, and it saves you looking a bit daft if you're asked questions that scratch beneath the surface while you're on the stand. Stage 2. This stage is really about learning what the company is trying to project from a marketing point of view. So it involves using the marketing department's messaging and language, using their sound bites and knowing their taglines, for example, so that you can communicate all the stuff very quickly with delegates before getting into the more in-depth stuff which you'll have prepared previously. Stage 3. This stage is all about the physical, personal stuff. So having spent all that time reading and doing all the brain work, you don't want to find yourself not operating at full capacity on the day because you have a headache, for example. So make sure you have painkillers, make sure you have antacids and breath mints, and make sure you have plasters if you think you might get blisters. Trade shows are very physically demanding, at least if you're doing them right, they are very physically demanding events, and so anticipate the sorts of troubles you might have and prepare accordingly. So that's my tidbit this time. Preparation is everything. Take it very seriously and you'll have a much better trade show as a result.